Find the area of the shaded region. So here we have, it looks to be an equilateral triangle embedded within an equilateral triangle. So there's a couple of issues that could be of difficulty on this one. First off, I'm noticing that these measurements are both in feet and inches, 4 foot 1 inch, and that's not generally the easiest way to deal with the measurement. So the first thing I want to do is convert that measurement to inches. So 4 feet is 48 inches. So 4 foot 1 inch would be, well, 48 plus 1, that's 49 inches. So instead of calling that 4 feet 1 inch, I'm going to call it 49 inches. Similarly, the 3 feet 6 inches, 3 times 12 is 3 times 12 is 36. Add 6 to that. This right here would be 42 inches. So that will guarantee that everything is in the same units at least. Since these are both equilateral triangles, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, okay, what is the area of this outer triangle? And I'm going to subtract the area of the inner. So the area of the outer minus the area of the inner. This will give me the area of this shaded region. So you can kind of envision me, I start off with all of this, everything, and then when I subtract off the area of the inner, I'm kind of removing this section here. I'm left with just the shaded region. So the formula for the equilateral triangle, just a quick reminder here, the area of an equilateral triangle is a squared equals the area is a squared times the square root of 3 over 4, or you can approximate this as 0.433 a squared. I think the 0.433 a squared is going to be accurate enough for my purposes here, since this has 3 decimal places of accuracy, and each of these only appear to have 2, so I'm not going to be losing any accuracy by using the 0.433. So we'll go 0.433 times the outer, the side of the outer, that's going to be 49 squared, minus the area of the inner, that's 0.433 times 42 squared. So I'm applying this formula, 0.433 a squared, twice, both for the area of the outer triangle and the area of the inner triangle. So let me just go ahead and type this whole thing into the calculator, times 49 squared minus 0.433 times 42 squared, which gives me 275.821. Now, I would definitely want to round this off. This is implying way more accuracy than I actually have here. This, like I said, these each probably only are accurate to 2 decimal places. I'd probably go ahead and call this 280 square inches. You might call it 276, I suppose, although that's assuming 3 decimal places of accuracy. Going any more than that is definitely going to be problematic, because you're running into, not only is this only 2 decimal places, that's 3 decimal places. You wouldn't have enough accuracy to claim any more decimal places than that.